Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad y'all came back to watch my video. By the title you guys see in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Voice of Hair box that I received in the mail. And I just want to say that I'm really thankful for the owner of Voice of Hair for allowing me to even try out her products, and I'm thankful that I'm able to review them for you guys and to let you all know how good the products work. But before I start unboxing what I received in the mail, I want you guys to give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you can join the Faith Gang, and also hit that post notification bell right next to the subscription button so you can get alerted every single time I post another video. Alright y'all, so this video is actually long awaited. I've kind of held it off because I've been really busy, but I'm going to do a whole separate life update / channel update video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. That's going to be pretty interesting. But anyway, I got my scissors right here. Alright you guys, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. Y'all, get into these colors, okay? Her gold and pink packaging is so pretty and nice. And I love the gold shred paper in here as well. But alright, I'm going to show you all what's all in here. Alright you guys, so the first product that I'm going to show you guys that was in my box is the 3-in-1 leave-in cream. It conditions, detangles, and revives hair with B vitamins, black seed oil, and silk amino acids. And this is step 3. As you guys can see, I really love her pink, gold, and white packaging. And it says, our story, Voice of Hair Pure Fix, was formulated to help promote stronger, longer, and more moisturized hair. We use a unique blend of natural and nourishing ingredients to hydrate and seal in moisture into each hair strand. And I'm not going to tell you guys what style I'm going to be using these products on my hair first. I'm going to be doing a whole separate video on me styling my hair, and you'll see the style that I actually chose when I'm trying these products out. The second product that I got is the Voice of Hair Pure Fix Quench and Repair Conditioner with black seed oil, aloe leaf juice, and olive oil. And this is actually step 2, and it says, why you'll love it. This silky smooth conditioner is free of silicones and softens hair for lasting hydration. I love a good conditioner to get my hair nice and soft, especially since I have color in my hair. But it says infused with good stuff. Olive oil, a natural conditioning agent full of unsaturated fats that nourish hair and scalp. Black seed oil improves moisture, contains antioxidants that support longer hair. Aloe vera contains enzymes that help repair and hydrate hair, leaving it supple and shiny. How to use it. Apply to clean wet hair. After shampooing, coat hair strands evenly and detangle hair from ends to roots. For deep penetration, cover hair with cap for 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with cool water. For best results, follow up with the Voice of Hair leave-in cream. And the third product that I'm going to be showing you guys is the Quench and Cleanse Shampoo. And it says that it hydrates and revives dry hair. And it says, while you'll love it, this deep cleansing shampoo was formulated to remove buildup without stripping the natural moisture from your hair. This gentle formula is free of sulfates and rich with omega fatty acids and B vitamins that naturally hydrate and moisturize while removing buildup from products. Infused with B vitamins, moisturize and help strengthen hair. Silky amino acids made from raw silk and preserves moisture and increases manageability. Black seed oil improves moisture, contains antioxidants that help support longer hair. And argan oil, lightweight, is full of antioxidants that help reduce hair fall. And it says how to use it. Apply to wet hair and gently work into a rich lather. Rinse thoroughly with cool water. Repeat as needed. So this is the shampoo, and these are all 3 of the products. that I received: the shampoo, the conditioner, and lastly the leave-in cream. And this is a 3-in-1. After I use the leave-in to detangle, I can also use the leave-in cream to style. And finally, this was the last item that was in my package. I don't actually know what this might be, but let's see. So I got their hair elixir. I got the Voice of Hair elixir. I've seen this all over Instagram, and I'm really thankful that I get to try it out on my hair. It says hair elixir with biotin, black seed oil, and black castor oil. And this oil is vegan, alcohol free, paraben free, and it has no mineral oil. And it says this oil is the solution for dry hair that is struggling to grow, made with essential oils that stimulate hair follicles and strengthen weak hair. And it says to apply a dime-sized amount to hair or scalp 3 times per week. Massage gently for 1 to 3 minutes. Use more or less as needed. So once again, these are all the products that I received in my packaging. So you'll definitely see a video of me trying out all these products very soon. And if you haven't already checked out Voice of Hair, I'm definitely going to leave her Instagram in my description box down below, as well as on the screen so you guys can see it. And I'm also going to have a link in my description box as well. But I received this nice card in my packaging, just a nice note from the owner. And on the back it says, thank you for your purchase, and it has her social media handles on the back, her Instagram and her Facebook. And if you have any questions, you can just email this address once you get your package. And her website is www.voiceofhaircare.com. But yep, that's all I have in my box. But with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day or night, depending on when you watch this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, Faith Gang. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. And if you made it to the end of this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the Faith Gang, and also hit that post notification bell so you can get alerted every single time I post another video. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, Faith Gang.